Hello everyone, my name is Leonie Flor Suyat. I'm a pharmacist by profession, an author, pero pinufull-time mo itong dropshipping business for a year now. At nandito ka ngayon dahil curious ka din about dito sa dropshipping business, kung bakit ito trending sa mga social media at kung gaano ba ito kaganda. This is House of Franchise and JC Dropshipping Business. At gusto mo bang malaman kung paano ito gawin? Paano kumita dito kahit nasa abroad ka pa man, nasa Pilipinas o kahit nasa bahay, empleyado, tambay o kahit nasaan ka man sa mundo. Ang negosyong ito ay nangangailangan lang ng cellphone at wifi. At pwedeng-pwede mo na itong simulan itong online business na ito. Marami nang naghaw pero ilan lang ang matatapang na dreamers na nag-take ng action para sa negosyong ito. Tulad mo, kaya ka nandito ngayon at pinapanood itong video ko. Let's start! The secret of getting ahead is getting started. What if I tell you na pwede kang kumita ng extra 100,000 this year? In just 6 months. At you can do it part-time. So, pwede mo itong gawin by dropshipping and online selling, retailing, and wholesaling. Sobrang trending na kasi ngayon ng dropshipping business and online selling, retailing at wholesaling. Dahil nasa new normal na tayo, marami na pong mga tao ang into online business na gamit lang ang cellphone na connected sa Wi-Fi. So ano nga ba ang dropshipping and online selling? Ito ay very in demand at profitable. Nakapag-online shopping ka na ba sa Shopee, TikTok Shop at Shein? Di ba super in demand ng mga ito at very convenient? At malaki pa ang pwede mong kitain at hindi mo kailangan ng malaking puhunan para simulan itong dropshipping business. Sa retailing naman, ito yung pagbili ng mga produkto na paisa-isa tapos ibebenta mo sa mga customers. So kikita ka din dito, kaso konti lang yung pwede mong kitaan dito. Bibili ka ng mga products mo in discounted price at ibebenta mo ito in SRP. In demand din ito at syempre may kita. Sa wholesaling naman, ito yung bibili ka ng products ng bultuhan at mas malaki ang discount mo dito na makukuha from the supplier. Syempre pa, in demand at malaki ang kita. At may secret akong sasabihin sa'yo. There are 3 secrets of successful business. First, company. Dapat stable at legit. May strong reputation ang company at ang owners. Innovative. Pangalawa, products. Siyempre, top quality dapat yan. Trusted by many people and personalities, even celebrities. International recognized. At pangatlo, profitability. Dapat may good profit margin. In demand ang mga products, always available anytime, anywhere. So, i-summarize natin ha, 3 secrets of successful business. Company, products, at profitability. And your business can be successful. So, good news. We have created a business system which is the first and only system there is. So you could earn an extra 100,000 in just 6 months. So yung 3 secrets of successful business, company. From the makers of the most famous food cart, Siomai King, ang hari ng siomai of House of Franchise. So tayo lang naman ang na-awardan tayo ng 2020, 2021, 2022 ng Franchise Company of the Year. Ng 2023 ng Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year. At we are ISO certified. Siyempre pa ay na-awardan din tayo ng Asia Leaders Award ng 2020, 2021, 2022, hanggang 2023. At tayo ay tinaguri ang Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year 2023. At noong 2024 ay na-awardan ulit tayo at tayo ulit ang Franchising Hall of Famer of the Year 2024. So ito kung kailan nagsimula ang ating mga food cart. Noong 2006, ang Noodle House ay nag-open to several locations nationwide. Noong 2008 naman, ang Siomai King was developed and launched. Noong 2015, nagkaroon din ng Potato King offered to the consumers. 2016 ay nagkaroon na ng 800 branches nationwide. At noong 2020 ay doon nagsimula ang online and community franchise and brand na sulit pack ng Siomai King. Noong 2023 ay nagkaroon tayo ng commissary received by ISO certification. Noong 2023 ay nagkaroon tayo ng award by Asia Leaders Award as Hall of Famer 2023 at Franchise Company of the Year 2020, 2021, and 2022. Noong 2023 to present ay nagkaroon na ng over 1,000 branches nationwide sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao. At noong May 2024 naman ay nagkaroon ng Ucha Milk Tea na first branch open in 35 Shaw Boulevard, Pasig City. So ito ang mga operational food courts na pwede makita sa mga mataong lugar katulad ng SM, Robinson, City Mall, CB Mall, hypermarket, supermarket at marami pang iba. We now proudly operate over 1,000 branches nationwide with our Siomai King, Noodle House, Potato King, and still growing. Ito ng mga food carts natin na ino-operate ang Noodle House, Siomai King, Potato King, Siopaw King, Boy Bondet, and Ucha. So, leading health, beauty, and wellness company founded in 2013. And Mr. Dingdong Dantes as our brand ambassador of our flagship product which is the JZ Organic Barley. Ang JC ay nagkaroon ng award recognition as the Best Natural Supplement of the Year by the Asia Leaders Award noong 2023. At ang JC din as Health and Wellness Company of the Year by the Asia Leaders Award noong 2021. At MLM Company of the Year by Asia Leaders Award noong 2020. So partnering with countries like New Zealand, Iceland, Korea, Japan, Malaysia, Vietnam, and others to ensure that unparalleled products experience for you. At meron tayong JC International Headquarters. Una na dyan sa Italy. Meron din sa Dubai, sa Abu Dhabi, sa Qatar, sa Singapore, sa Taiwan, sa Manila, sa Cebu, at sa Davao. At meron din tayong JC International Business Center sa Switzerland, sa Malaysia, sa Australia, sa Spain, at sa San Francisco, USA. At ito na ang mga founders ng ating company. Sina Boss Jonathan So, ang President CEO, at si Boss Carlito Macadangdang, ang ating Vice President CFO. Alam niyo bang napakarami na nilang award na natanggap? Katulad ng People of the Year and Men Who Matters 2021 and 2023 by the People Asia. Meron din silang natanggap from Quill Awards 2022. Meron din sa Asia Leaders Awards, sa Reader's Digest Trusted Brand Awards, sa Asia CEO Awards, Guillermo Mendoza, Golden Globe Awards for Business Excellence, at na-feature din sila sa magazine katulad ng People Asia noong 2021, Lifestyle Asia 2022, People of the Year 2023, Men Who Matter 2021, Rising Tigers. Ito yung mga magazine kung saan na-feature ang ating mga boss. At syempre pa, ay na-feature din sila sa Rated Corina at sa CNN Philippines. Meron din sila sa Philippine Daily Inquirer, Billionario, People Asia, Lifestyle Asia, Philstar Global, at marami pang iba. So number 2 sa ating secrets of successful business ay products. Bakit flagship product? Dahil best-selling product ito. Most trending health juice, best natural supplement of the year 2023, at millions sold worldwide, internationally recognized, and fast fact. Alam niyo ba na ang barley grass is the only vegetation on earth that can supply nutritional support from birth to old age? At ang JC Organic Barley ay nagtataglay ng 68 micronutrients tagpuan sa barley grass. May 17 minerals, 16 vitamins, 17 enzymes, at 18 amino acids. Alam mo ba na ang barley ay 25 times richer in potassium than bananas? 11 times richer in calcium than milk, 7 times richer in vitamin C than orange, 5 times richer in iron than spinach, at 2 times richer in beta-carotene than carrots. So ito yung mga top leading causes of death from 1999 to present. Heart disease o atake sa puso, cancer o tumor, diabetes, at insomnia. So, ito yung mga conditions na nagre-respond ang ating barley. At ang ating JC Organic Barley ay nagmula sa New Zealand. Ito ay halal certified, FDA approved, may organic certified, Ministry of Health sa Singapore. Meron din FDA approved din ito sa Taiwan, sa Ministry of Public Health, sa Qatar and Oman, sa Italy, UAE, Fair Trade Commission sa Taiwan, meron din sa Canada, sa UAE, Switzerland, at Malaysia. So, truly world-class ang ating barley. Pure, natural, and organic. So, ang ating JC Organic Barley from New Zealand is the one and only in the world. It is the only barley with FDA approval of more than 10 countries in the world. Na-feature na din tayo sa Reader's Digest, sa Healthcare Magazine, at sa PPD, na most trusted ng mga doctors and pharmacists. And take note, tayo lang ang nag-iisang barley na nandito sa PPD. So what can JC Organic Barley do to your body? So nandito ang ilan sa mga testimonies ng mga barley users. At ang JC Organic Barley ay trusted ng mga celebrities. Tulad ni Sir Dingdong, ni Kylie, Richard Yap, Carla Abellana, at marami pang iba. At ang JC Organic Barley ay globally recognized. Hindi lang mga Pilipinong gumagamit, pati iba't ibang mga lahi. Hindi lang JC Organic Barley ang ating mga produkto. Marami pa tayong iba't ibang mga produkto. Meron din tayong beauty products, wellness products. At ito, ang isa sa mga bagong product natin, ang Hydrating Matte Stick. Ang Choco Barley na chocolatey goodness with health benefits, lalo na sa mga bata. Meron din JC Collagen Barley. At ang ating Nature's Own conditioner, body wash, and shampoo. At meron din tayong JC Cocoa Barley. So pangatlo sa secrets of successful business ay profitability. You can start earning through dropshipping and online selling, retailing, and wholesaling. So good news, no membership fee, no joining fee, no sign-up fee. So narito ang mga perks and benefits. Of course, you'll become an authorized wholesaler and retailer. This is doable and profitable business. Lifetime privilege na pwede mo ipamana. Easy to manage, ready business system, at entitled to access all branches globally. These are the ways to earn. Sa dropshipping and online selling, you can start earning through dropshipping, e-commerce or online selling na pwedeng kumita up to 20,000 to 60,000 a month. Sa dropshipping and online selling, kunyari magbebenta ka ng 2 box ng JC Organic Barley at pwede kang kumita ng 960 income per day. Kapag 30 days ka nakapagbenta, ay aabot ang iyong profit ng 28,800 per month. So sa ating food business naman, ay pwede kang kumita ng up to 20% from all online orders. So paano kumita using Siomai King ShopLink? At kapag clinic ni customer ang iyong ShopLink or online store, ay makikita agad ni ang mga food products na nandito. At syempre, ay makikita rin niya na naka-customize ay yung online store. At narito ang mga quality at masasarap na mga food products from House of Franchise, katulad ng Siomai King. At alam mo ba na makukuha mo ang ShopLink or online store for free? Dahil kapag nagpagawa ka ng online store, ay pwedeng umabot yan ng 50,000 to 100,000. Pero dito ay makukuha mo lang siya for free. So up to 20% discount ka sa Siomai King. Kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 3,000 times 20% discount ay magkakaroon ka ng 600 profits. At kapag nakapagbenta ka ng 30 days ay aabot ng 18,000 a month. As sa retailing naman sa JC, you can start earning through sell to your friends, family, office mates, and to your community. And earn up to 20,000 to 60,000 a month. Kapag nagbenta ka ng 2 box ng JC Organic Barley na nagkakalaga ng 960 pesos sa loob ng 30 days, ay pwede kang kumita ng 28,800 per month. So sa Siomai King, yung hari ng Siomai Community Franchise Business, ay pwede kang magbenta ng mga sulit pack. So, earn up to 16,800 monthly. Sa ating JC wholesaling naman, you can start earning through sell products in wholesale. Biggest income opportunity. And earn up to 70 to 450,000 a month. Sa wholesaling naman, bultuhan ito. The more wholesale sets you sell, the bigger your income will be, na pwedeng umabot up to 450,000 per month. At good news, additional privilege of authorized wholesalers. There are 3 R's. Una, royalty. Pangalawa, rewards. At pangatlo, rebates. So sa royalty, pwede kang kumita up to 90,000 per month. Sa rewards naman, ay pwede kang magkaroon ng travel incentives. Maging car achiever. House achiever. Luxury shopping. At sa rebates naman, ay pwede kang kumita ng up to 50 to 450,000 a month. So good news ulit. How to be an authorized wholesaler globally. Pwede kang maging starter wholesaler na kung saan ay nagkakaroon tayo ng promo price na 17,888 at ang product supply na marireceive mo ay 22,000. Ang sunod naman ay wholesaler. Ang initial promo price ay 53,664. Ang product supply na marireceive mo ay abot ng 75,000. So nakapag-save ka na doon ng 21,000 plus. At up to 43% naman ang discount mo sa yung next purchase. So kunyari nakapagbenta ka ng 200,000 worth of products, ang discount mo ay 43%, aabot ng 86,000 ang profit mo. Ang sunod ay super wholesaler na kung saan 125,260 naman ang initial promo price. So, ang product supply na marireceive mo ay 175,000. Ang sunod naman ay mega wholesaler. Ang initial promo price ay 268,320. Ang product supply na marireceive mo ay 375,000. At up to 50% discount ka naman sa next purchase mo. At ang master wholesaler, ang initial promo price ay 554,528. Ang product supply na marireceive mo ay 775,000. At dito naman ay aabot ng 60% discount ang pwede mong ma-avail next purchase. So, katulad ng nauna, kunya nakapag-sold ka ng 200,000 worth of products, so ang discount mo dito ay 60% at pwede kang kumita ng 120,000. So, ito ang ilan sa mga kumita na dito sa dropshipping business. You have to make one decision to change your life. Try. Subukan mo. Hindi mo naman malalaman kung hindi mo susubukan, di ba? So, JC. So, get started today. So, step 1, contact the authorized wholesaler who assisted you to process your application. Step 2, fill the application form. Step 3, ito yung mga mode of payments. Meron debit card, Visa, check payment, cash, online banking, at mga bank deposit.
Once again, I'm Leonie Flor Suyat, your franchise consultant.
Today will never come again. Be a blessing. Be a friend. Encourage someone. Take time to care. Let your words heal and not wound. See you.